Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation 9 times x squared plus 18 times x plus 9. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to simplify and solve this quadratic equation. By the end of this video, you will have the skills and knowledge needed to easily solve similar equations on your own. So let's get started. Step 1. To begin solving the quadratic expression 9x squared plus 18x plus 9, we first observe that each term shares a common factor. In this case, the greatest common factor is 9. We can simplify the expression by factoring out this common factor. So, we rewrite the expression as 9 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1. This altercation simplifies the handling and solving of the quadratic expression. Step 2. Now that the expression is simplified to 9 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1, our next focus is on the quadratic expression within the multiplication. We aim to simplify x squared plus 2x plus 1 further. We observe that the expression is a perfect square trinomial. This means it can be rewritten as the square of a binomial. Specifically, x squared plus 2x plus 1 can be expressed as x plus 1 raised to the power of 2. Therefore, the original expression, 9 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 1, transforms to 9 times the quantity x plus 1 squared. This final form indicates that the quadratic expression has been fully factored and simplified. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.